crazy guy. Why would I? Nung nandoon pa yan, hindi ninyo pinarang. Ngayon nandyan na, gusto ninyo akong pagira. So, ulul. Well, sabi ko sa Amerikano, you know, at the earliest stage ng build-up dyan sa South China Sea, there were overflights, intelligence photos, showing that something was afoot. There was something movement there. Hinayaan ninyo ng hinayaan hanggang nagkaroon ng gunship airstrip ngayon, garrison na. Tapos gusto ninyong i-confront itong Alejandro na ito, ni Biman sana, gusto niya magpilitin ko. Kung magka-insultuhan, putang ina ka, o sige,